Greetings everybody, trust you guys are well on this beautiful public holiday. Many people are working and many are not working, and many people are trusting for a job. Your job is on this way, because yesterday we celebrated Easter. It was a beautiful day, but what stood out for me, Jesus Christ died on the cross for my sins, for your sins, despite of what he went through. I'm here to tell you, Jesus died a death, and his death speaks volume. I'm here to tell you, what you're going through is not forever. There is a resurrection at the end of the day. Daar is 'n restaurasie op die einde van die dag. Ek is jong te sê, die Here weet wat hy doen. Hy maak nooit 'n mistake nie. Baie mense het gewonder, die Here gaan in die graf bly. Many people were in the grave. Many people died and they did not resurrect. Maar ek is een van iemand te sê, my God het geresurrect. My God het opgestaan en hy het wonders verrig. Ek is een van iemand te sê, moenie worry wat die mense sê nie. God is nog altyd aan die Heer. God is nog altyd op die troon. Baie mense sal sê, nie dit gebeur, dit gebeur. No. Jesus Christ is alive. He's performing miracles. He's still coming through. He will come through for your job. He will restore your family. He will heal your family. He will bring about a salvation to your family. Het lyk nie so nie, maar God was 3 dae aan die graf, maar hy het geresurrected, because een van iemand te sê, Jesus Christ surely has been resurrected, and he's coming and showing off by miracles, signs and wonders. I believe for a miracle for your son. I believe for a miracle for your daughter. Be blessed, so signing out.